what are your future plans actually?
Future plans. Look, as we see these generations going on, what I feel is, I felt really one thing. Whatever we learned in engineering, right, they could have taught us way more back. It's a small content actually, right? Like our 10th standard mathematics was more, 10th standard syllabus was more than this engineering thing, the coding thing you see, right? There are people have thought, you can see this generation's things. So 5th standard kid is learning coding. He's not learning that coding thing. He's also again same way they are memorizing it, that this everything. They are doing the same right now. They're like 1 in a million who's doing it great, right? What the thing is, I want them to learn these languages as they learn their mother tongue. Okay. Not just like that, mother tongue. Right? Maybe like just now, like 2 days back, the entire gaming has been, coming to the picture. You have e-sports now, right? India is promoting now this one. That's a good news really for a coming future. That is what we can predict it on, animation. That is everything. We're going to the high scale now, right? Now, a few days back, like there was something like this. If you used to take up phone and if you play a game, like, hey, what are you doing? Playing game every time, like go. That is what they're scolding you. Now you can make money in this. Now you are like a sports star. Like how you see cricket, the same way like this now. And this will never die. Now for this, anyone can do it. There is other part, there are like other, like parts which is like affecting that is everything, ill health, that is everything. But there is something like here, e-sports, right? Now what I can see is something like this. In your future, as you are learning English language, this will be the mandatory. When you make a mandatory, it will be like torture. I should not make them to feel that this is a torture. I want to feel them as a mother tongue, right? It's like you're talking with a Russian. Everyone should know how to code in your future. So we need to reach everyone, every person in this entire world. In a coding thing. There will be many things, like near future, I don't know what happens is like there will be many things. We won't be like this. But at start you need a coding itself. No matter how automated you do it, that is everything. To that do automated, you need a coding. Someone need to do that, right? That is where this cards comes. So what I feel is, I told you as we are the bridge between engineering and engineering, right? Here coming to the concept, mathematics is the bridge between the mathematics, and here you have coding, and we are just bridge between this. Just we are connecting the mathematics to coding. You can do anything, right? But this is what we need to convince them and build an environment with many things. And setuping thing is in each, as I told you along back, in each district we need to have the access for the SkillBout. Either in the online, either in the offline. Student should come sit over there. As I told it like way back, I told you the tuition center.
Yeah, yes.
They need to come and sit it. There is no age gap here now to learn this. When 8 years fellow can come, when 20 years kid can come, 10 years kid also can come. Learning the same thing. They can change the interact with that. There is a generation gap these days, right? This coding is the field where there is no generation for this. I can tell that the coming generation is more smarter than the going generation. I'm not telling for 50 years ago, they're not smart now. They're just like the old things that innovation is in the kid. They do like surfing more than us. They know the things, where it is loophole, where it is there, what is this, everything they know about it. Alright? Now for example, you just take it on, you take a phone and you give the phone to your grandma or your dad, and one phone you give to a kid. Now tell me who is learning more? Who is learning fast? A kid is learning fast. How to operate the phone. He knows it. And if you go, she will ask 100 times how to do this one, how to do this one, how to click this one. But the kid don't want. He will say, even if you are restricted, you're like, something you will do. Yeah. You learn it. But tell me who is smart. Kid is smart. That is what the generation can see. And we need to respect those kids. Younger generation, we need to give a lot of respect. That is what I feel it. A way long back, 4 years back, when I used to go for the colleges, we need to tell little things also. But for this, now when I go to the college, when I see them, we don't want to tell all this base now. They know it already. They're smart. They know what I need to do. They know it. And because to get motivated, self-motivated, someone need to come. Or maybe like some event will happen, some guests will come, they will talk. Maybe like some of your relatives will come, or else mom will tell, hey, look onto that kid, right? Or else look onto that uncle, he's in USA, that's everything. Like this they will notice. No, it's not like that, no. You have small Instagram reels only. How many of them are putting the short videos? It's like they are getting an AI. They are learning it. Automatically they are learning it now. They're watching it. They know what to take it, what not to take it. One who is taking good, he's going in a good direction. One is doing bad, he's going in a bad direction.
Good is the children are like.
Nah, that's it.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Right? Yeah. So that is how it is. But coming generation is a very smart one. And we can
teaching about this.
Yeah. We cannot mislead them. Just be honest. They are not dumb. They feel that you're seeing like they lack soft skills. They don't lack soft skills. They don't know how to talk, how to picture. Yeah. Their intentions are clear. Their intentions are good. But they don't know how to put up. Like this, right? So, but maybe like when they interact with the interaction with the people will become less. The interaction with the people become less. They don't know how to talk with them because they are into the machine only. They're like yes, no. This is correct. This is no. They don't understand the feelings. The lack of the feelings, I guess, like way back around. But that's fine. Maybe like for that we will have a separate class, right? How to get this, all these things. That's what it is happening, right? Like the whole conclusion is. Everyone will be doing big coding and need to reach almost the maximum points, right? We are not into quantity. We don't want to rush it onto it. I'm a kind of old school. I want to climb the steps itself. Like we'll go one crore, we'll fill this one. We don't want it. We give us this much of this. We will give the quality. We make sure that there is a quality. There are many things, many projects we get it something like this. Okay, you teach this in 10 days, you teach this in 5 days. You cannot do this. You're taking 4 years and you cannot do that, and you're telling us to do it in 10 days. This just has a 21 days at least. Make sure that you are strong first. At least 15 days. 21 days. You will give 3 days. 3 days you make it onto it. I'll just make a money, that's all. I can tell less. I can give the best content only. Whatever they want to listen, we can give it. But at the end of the day, what? At the end of the day, I'm making money. I'm just telling you, man. When I take 100 rupees from you, I need to feel that 100 rupees. You need to feel it worth spending 100 rupees. Feel that 100 rupees giving you 1 lakh. That's what we need to feel from each part. It's not regret. Oh, we wasted the money. Oh, like this. You don't regret it. When you feel like that, no point on doing these things. Just having a patience. Each day we get up, we have a plan. We do that. Few plans work, few plans doesn't work. Few plans wow, we go for a few plans like goes on a task. Yeah, just learning how to. And make sure that there is something called as productivity, there is something called as quality, and there are something called as people will remember for a lifelong. That's what it is. That's where the SkillBout practice. And like we have more other things also coming up days, not only the education sector. We have some products in our mind which will well used for the society, which makes things easy for the society. Maybe like in an education perspective, or maybe like something like that. We had before e-commerce things was related to SkillBout. We had a kind of an e-commerce one which will help for the rural areas to get the things done. Right? We have many things in our mind, so let's see. Hope for the best. We'll work on it. How it is.
Finally, I would like to say thank you for giving the opportunities. The students like me, actually, I was learning a lot. I was learning a lot actually.
Okay.
During my college.
Okay.
So during the training, what you was given, so I was tagged almost 3 companies actually.
Okay.
The training, what actually was given. I was actually working with some of the startups.
Okay.
I was starting my own startup actually.
Right.
Yes, because of motivated us who actually motivated me. And so actually, I would like to say thank you, sir.